welcome back to the channel. I was getting some problem here. I was changing some, I had to get help to change the arm under here. But when I was trying to get up the lower bulb, or yeah, I don't remember the name, this dropped off. And now I need to get on a new locker system, or at least first I have to get something to cut it with, I see. Now I have to get filled up with grease again and try to get on a new locker. So just have to try. Very, very difficult to show. Yeah, I get in some. Yeah, hold it here. A new locker to lock around. I have never used this type before, so I had to just buy it to try it. And to use that one I had to CV boot clamp prior. I have never used any of these tools. So just have to see if I has a chance of getting things around there without making just a big mess. I'm not sure. First I have to see where I can put the tool. Maybe if I can get up from underneath, that maybe be the best. Yeah, and to see. Very difficult to get the tool in and get the film and things. They have to pressure this part together now to lock it. I'm just hoping that I was able to get in here and do something with the tool. A little difficult. was slipping. I was hitting something and it had too much grease on it, so it was slipping. So it's not perfect at all. Actually, I managed to take it out, bend it straight again, or more or less, a little more angle. And I managed to get the tool in here. And I managed to hold the finger here when I get the tool to press down on it. And then bend it in. Actually, I think I fixed it. Huh. That was the first time I've done it like with this tool at all. And it was a very bad place up there. Let's see, we just take, because I have one more problem. Here is for the other side on the CV joint. The problem is to get in here and be able to get this one to hold on and to be able to get in with this tool and have pressure on it and squeeze it together. When you squeeze them together, they lock the ring harder, and those that is holding in here get squeezed in. And luckily I didn't have to run away and buy even one more. Seems like it got it. That's nice. Then we can test the car this evening. I haven't tested after we put on the new here because the rubber back here was shot on the ordinary one, and the rubber on down here I'm not sure. But those are changed now. The arm are changed. The arm is okay, so if I get the rubber parts, could I put them in again? That's the truth. New rubber parts on the arm would be okay. Maybe I can look for that and look for the tool to make that. Because yeah, the arm was not terrible expensive, but it was not cheap either, so I have to see what the parts cost themselves. Maybe it's no point. Very often there's no point. Yeah. Luckily then I can put on the wheel again. Ah, yeah. Believe me, I'm happy. Really happy. Thank you. Please come back. This was just a small, my first test with this. I bought it in this morning in the shop. Just to get on one ring. I bought the set with outer and inner. I can go for CV joints. And it worked. Thank God. Yeah, please put a like, please put a comment, please give me inspiration, please help me and tell me things I can do, yeah, a lot of things. I was starting to make a video how to change that arm, but it was so problem the days that it was, I had to do it over many days because my back is not good. And it was raining and all kinds of shit, so I just had to give up that video. I have the other side I didn't change there. Maybe I come back with a video if I need it on the other side. And I have a better place to put it. Because to do this, like my car is standing now, is difficult. On the other side of the car, I had to park more or less into a tree. So, and you have to take off a lot on brakes and things. So I haven't done more. Just have to do something. Just a little so my back can survive it. Thank you. Please come back. Please put a like. Please put comments. Goodbye.